Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe or hit the bell button down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So let's get started! I'm here with a glass of water, so I encourage you to drink as much water as you can through the day and don't forget about water. Today I want to talk about one of my obsessions, that is tidying things up. If you come to my apartment, you might say that I'm not very organized, but this is on the exterior. If you look into my drawers or into my wardrobe, you will see that I'm really, really organized. One of the things that I most like about my husband is that when I came into his house the first time, he was taking a t-shirt out of his drawers, and I saw that he kept all his t-shirts nearby t-shirts, and everything was organized. He had trousers, packs of trousers, packs of t-shirts, and packs of shirts. And I was amazing. He is my perfect match. This is my obsession. I like to keep things organized, but you will only see this into my wardrobe or into my cabinets and stuff like that. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my cooking essentials in one cabinet. I've used a large box, and I think this is it. I'm not sure. There are some small stuff that you can use, the bins, but I don't have enough space for those, so this is my solution for what I have. Let's go back in time a few hours before and show you how it all started. This is my old cabinet, and this is my staple food and how it looked before. When I started this process, I took everything out of the cabinet and laid it on the table. I started figuring out how to organize this, and well, in my mind I had 3 boxes, so I needed 3 categories to organize the staple food. One category would be what I need in order to bake sweets. Cocoa powder, Nutella, sugar, dried dates, nuts, things like this. Another category would be cans. I have many cans that I keep in my house in case I don't have any food prepared. I only heat them and they are ready to eat. In the last box I put everything I have left, like salt, rice, chia seeds, quinoa, pasta, and oats, because I eat oats, I think, every morning. To sum up, I will show here all 3 boxes that I prepared for my cabinet. Common staple foods, sweets, and cans. As you can see, I'm still trying to close the lid on the last box. It's pretty tough because I have lots of stuff in there. While trying to fix it, I am moving stuff into small boxes instead of large packages. Hope this is going to fix it. Oh my god, it worked! Now I have to clean the cabinet in order to put the boxes back inside. Oops! Didn't think that 3 boxes won't fit into my cabinet. I need to rearrange everything and see how can I adjust this so that I have 2 boxes inside the cabinet and the others are put aside. So the cans are on the left side and I will put 2 boxes on the right side. This works. Yeah, good idea. The third box that didn't fit the first shelf, I'm going to use for my empty cans. Now let's go over the end result. I've shown you this part at the beginning of the video. I want to know more about you. Do you like to organize stuff in your cabinets or in your drawers? How do you keep things organized? I know that there are many trends right now, but what's your trend? Please comment down below and tell me how you like to keep things organized. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you on my next video. Bye!